Dear students, now we see direct and indirect speech part number 5. In this video, we discuss about meaning of imperative sentence and usage rules of direct and indirect speech. Imperative sentences are the sentences which contain some command, prohibition or request. I'll tell you some examples. First one, open your books. Second one, keep silence in the class. Third one, please help the poor. Like these, we use many more examples. Then we see about rules in indirect and direct speech. First rule, remove the quotation marks in the statement. Second one, use to if it is an affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means positive sentence. If it is a positive sentence, we start with to, and if it is negative, we start with not to. Another thing is, in these type of sentences, don't use that. In these type of sentences, so many special words are there, like please. Whenever at the time of changing direct to indirect, we must remove please. Rather than please, we use request. If the direct speech contains a command or order, at that time we use order or command. Simply, I'll tell you again, in imperative sentence, at the time of changing direct to indirect, we first remove quotation mark. Then, if it is an affirmative sentence, we must begin the statement with to. If it is a negative sentence, we use not to. And another thing is, in these type of sentences, at the time of changing direct to indirect, don't use that here. Reporting verb said, it changes to requested, advised, ordered, commanded. But you keep it in mind that this usage is depend upon the given sentence. Next, we see some related examples here. The first example, don't talk in the class, said teacher to the boys. Answer for this, the teacher advised the boys not to talk in the class. I'll explain about this. See the sentence clearly. The sentence is in negative form. Then what about our rule? Whenever the sentence is in negative form, we begin with not to. We are using there not to. Then we used reporting verb advised instead of said. See the second example. Please give me something to eat, the old man said to them. Answer for this, the old man requested them to give him something to eat. According to our rule, in this answer, we removed please, and we also used requested here. See the next example. Be careful, said he to her. Answer for this. He ordered her to be careful. This sentence is in positive form. So, we begin the statement with to form. Fourth example. Bring me a cup of tea, said Srujan to Divya. Answer. Srujan asked Divya to bring him a cup of tea. Instead of said, we used asked here. And this is also a positive sentence. For that reason, we begin the statement with to form. Based on this topic, I have given some examples here. Try to answer all these questions and share your answers in my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages. Thank you, students. We'll meet again